Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Shaikh Talan and I'm from Iraq, Duhok. I would like to welcome you all to my course and thanks for coming up. I hope I give you good information in this works course and hope you can focus with me and stick with me and chill and follow the order and the guide that I give you. This course is for every level, beginners, medium, and advanced. And I'm going to cover everything for you. Just stick with me and follow what I say, what I give you, hoping to help you very well. One more thank you very much for coming up here, and I'm going to start the course right now. Okay. First, I would like to tell you that the purpose of this course, it is not a commercial purpose. It's just helping, no more. Just want to help you. Just want to tell you that and give you that true path that you are going to follow, and nothing else. Inshallah, we're going to have some good time together, also with the good information. Inshallah. First, the first lesson that we have it is what is forex. Forex it is an exchange market. Okay, the name is derived from exchange market. FX also is called. Foreign also is called. Currency exchange market is also is called. So, going to combine or explain forex market in a real life example. For example, if you are an American people and you wanted to visit Germany and you have a US dollar on your pocket, you wanna exchange this euro, you wanna exchange your US dollar with euro. In any place that you want it. As we know, $1 equal 0.762 euro according to the market price. Market price changes daily by day according to the global economic and many of other factors. That's it. That's very simple. Just exchange the money during entering to the Germany, and when you are out of Germany, you want to exchange your money from an airport or any place by exchanging your euro. For example, if you have 100 euro, you're going to obtain $108.31. Okay, and that's it. Very simple. And I wanna tell you something else about this market. This market is very big. It's a very huge market that daily exchange about $3 trillion volume. Okay, it is a very huge number of money. Okay, so in a chart you're going to understand it a little bit better. Okay, clicking on the chart, if you see, this is a forex market and an average daily trading volume, it is $3 trillion. It's very big. Unlike other market like a New York stock market, Tokyo stock, or London stock market, if you see it only 22.4 billion and other. Okay, anyway, let's just focus on a forex because we are a forex trader. Okay, now I'm sure many of a question in your mind. Let's face all those questions. Someone will take what I'm going to trade with. As I told you, you're going to trade with the currency. And if you say how to trade with the currency, I'll tell you buying and selling. Another question, how to buy. How to buy, it's a silly question, but I'll tell you another again. You just trade with the currency. What currency? Come on, man. It's very simple. You have a different kind of a currency according to the country that they live. For example, we have a major currency. We have a US, Euro, Japan, London, and Switzerland, Canada, and Australia, New Zealand. Each of the country have a different currency, and the whole world. Each of the country have a different currency. For example, if I'm living in Iraq, we have a dinar. Okay, you are living in a Japan, we have a yen. Also, if someone living in New Zealand, they have a dollar, New Zealand dollar. Okay, so. Until now, I think it's a little bit become easy, but still confused, right? But I'm going to teach you in the next slide But if you have any question, please write it down and ask me later, okay? Anyway, let's talking about the currency. I've told you if you're going to the German, you're going to exchange your money with the euro, okay? If you have a US dollar. But some of the peoples think that in a forex you're going to buy a dollar in a low price and sell at a high price. There's not such a thing like that. In a forex we have a pair, okay? Pair of each country, each pairs contain of two different countries. For example, we have here a euro, but euro it's eurozone. Mean many of our countries combine or they just have a one currency. For example, we have Italy, Europe, Italy, Germany, Spain, and many of the others such as Crepes, Greek, Poland, and many of the other Europe countries. They have only euro. Okay, euro against what? Against United States. So what are you doing in this currency change? It means you are buying euro and exchange with the US. It's very simple. Okay, buying also selling. I'm going to explain for you how to buy and sell in a detail later. Okay. Now you should know that we have a major pair following: Euro USD, USD GPY, GBP USD, USD CHF, and so on. Okay. Now let's move to the other slides. Okay. There are many of the characteristics that I wanted to talk about for you about the forex. Okay, and the base characteristic in this market that you can buy and sell anything you wanted without asking anybody. You are free. You are the boss of your business. Okay, and another specialty it is this market have not any special location. Specific location. It is just controlled by traders and banks and also brokers. This is it. And also the most popular pair in a trading it is Euro USD. And why? Why? Due to the largest economic of the world, it is USD. USA. Okay, USA have the largest economy in the whole world. That's the main purpose. Also, the economic in a eurozone it's good. Sometimes it's bad. You can determine the trend of the market easily, which I'm going to explain it about you how to determine the trend of the market. But with the euro USD you can do it very easily, just like I did. Okay. Anyway, let's move to another slide. Why I choose forex? Okay, good question. Why do I choose the forex? Okay, many of the answers, but the best answers it is no need any payment. You don't need to ask anybody to open for your account. You can open an account at home with the $100. You can open an account with the $100. Okay, $100. You can work with it. Okay, no one in a chart. Okay, this is the same. Number 4 and number 2 are also the same to the previous point. Also, this market 24 hours is open 5 days a week. Okay, very high liquidity. What is meant by liquidity? Let me explain for you. What is liquidity? The degree to which an asset or a security can be bought or sold in the market without affecting of the asset price. Okay, liquidity is also characteristic by the high level of a trading activity. Asset that can be easily bought or sold are known as the liquid asset. Also, the liquidity can convert an asset to a cash quickly. Okay, that's very good. We are a trader and we like liquidity due to this 2 points. Okay, anyway, let's continue our lesson. We have number 6, leverage. As I told you, you can deposit $100 without reducing your money. You can work with your money with the $100 But with $100, can you trade with more than $100? Yes, surely you can edit $100 and trade with a large amount of money. Also, you can find anything in a MetaTrader 4, any stuff in a MetaTrader, like indicator systems, template, and anything else. Yes, as I told you, you can find any stuff in a MetaTrader 4. And I'm going to explain for you in a detail everything in a MetaTrader 4. Now, let's say, speaking about the time or hour of an opening market, we have a fourth season, fourth market period, as you see it. We have Australia, we have China, also London or UK, also New York. And in each market you have a specific pair to be traded. For example, London and New York, you can trade with the Euro USD dollar, Euro USD, okay? And this period, and the period is changing from the summer to the winter. Yes. So each time of a season or a marketing season, you can try with the specific with a specific of pair. For example, as I told you here, you can try with the my friend, sorry for interrupting two times. I have here electric program, electric problem in my city. So let's continue our lesson. We've told about the market season. And in a market season of London and United States, you can trade with the Euro USD. As you see it, when London is open, 140 pips more, and in New York, 92 pips more. This is the average. You cannot be so sure that these are moving, but it's the average for many of the day. Anyway, now it's time to introduce some of the basic terms in a forex. For example, what's pip? Pip, it is percentage in a point. It is the smallest unit that you can use to measure your profit or loss. For example, if you buy Euro USD at 1.3110 and you close it at 1.3113, okay, that's the mean you've gained 3 pips. And a pips value depending on the lot size. What is lot size? We have another problem here. Okay, lot size, it is in forex we have a different kind of a lot size starting from 0.01. Sorry, this is not 0.001, it's just 0.1, just like here. Okay, sorry, this is typing mistake. To 8 lot. I've made it stable for you, and now watch it. Okay, if you use 0.01 lot and you gain it 1 pip, the 1 pip's value in a cash will be 0.1 cash, okay, and so on. Just take a look. Whenever the lot size increases, the pips value increases until 0.8 lot. With 8 lot, 1 pip profit will be 80 cash, okay, $80. It's very simple to be understood, I think, and this charts. And by the way, my friends, it's just some of the currency or pairs it is different, but this is in a general for every currency without Japanese. Okay. Let's talking about the spread. What is spread? It is the difference between a buy and sell. Okay. If you have a sell, just a minute, sell and buy, the difference between them is only 3 pips. What are these 3 pips? This 3 pips is going for a broker. It's the profit of a broker. Anyway, this is the short and easy understanding about the forex. This is the forex market. I wish you understand it. And if you have any question or any comments, please leave it for me, and I'm able to answer for you. Thank you very much. Upcoming next lesson for tomorrow, I'm going to explain about the why 95% of a trader's loss. What is MetaTrader for? Type of analysis. and I wish you the best time. Allah be with you.